guys! Hello again. Today is May 9 and today I am going to show to you the exact area or the certain area where I am going to rehabilitate. So come with me guys, I will show you the specific area. So there you go guys, this is the area that I chose to rehabilitate. There are still plants here but we are going to remove all the plants. And this will be the final facade of the chosen area. By the way guys, I used empty plastic bottles as my pot. And this is the example of my plastic bottles. I just cut it in half and put holes at the bottom of it. So it is very important to put holes at the bottom because the plant's root doesn't like to sit in the water. They need to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide with the air. And the excess water closes off the air pockets in the soil. So why did I choose to recycle plastic bottles? Reusing plastic bottles for planting can reduce pollution and plastic waste. By reusing plastic bottles for planting, I will be able to help the environment not just by planting but can also help conserve waste for other waste. And so I went to the market and bought 2 sacks of humus soil that I will use for my planting. The 2 sacks is only 100 pesos. And now I am choosing the plants that I am going to propagate. So I chose the Fabacia sigin plant, aloe vera, and sansevieria. So yan. So the first thing that we are going to do of course is to plant before we arrange everything. So I chose this plant because as you can see guys, marami na sila and I'm sure that I can put this plant into another habitat for it to grow pa, diba? Ayan. So, here pa. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is kukunin ko muna siya sa kanilang pot. Titingnan ko yung roots niya. Okay? Gently just pull it. Yan. As you can see how strong they are. I'm just going to separate the roots just gently. So there are lots of propagation types. So there is marcoting, different leaf cuttings, or different root cuttings. But as for me, I chose the division propagation because for me this is very simple and most of the plants are really going to live. So sayang naman diba kung mamamatay. Division propagation involves cutting large clumps into smaller sections, making sure that each smaller clump has an adequate amount of stems, leaves, roots, and buds to survive transplanting. So there you go guys, I already separated these plants. It's ready to be replanted. But first, I'm going to show you what I am going to use or what soil I am going to use. So, ayan, papakilid ko muna yan. Okay. So, I am going to use humus soil. So, I am going to use humus soil here. And coarse sand. And also, I am going to use rice hull na ipapakita ko later. So, let's start planting! So, there guys, ayan. So, nagmimix na ako ng aking humus at saka ng aking sand. A proper soil mixture is very important because plants grow easily when the soil is well composed. Mixing sand in the humus will improve aerage and drainage of the plant. So there guys, magsa-start na tayo ng pagtatanim. Una, naglagay ako ng soil for my base. I inserted my plant and just added some soil in it. I just made sure na naka-stuffed yung soil at saka yung plant ko na nakatayo. Paano ba malalaman na tama yung pagkakaplant mo? Para sa akin, tama yung pagkakaplant kapag nakatayo ng maayos yung plant mo at hindi natutumba. So yan guys, so tingnan nyo, I just make sure na naka-stuffed yung aking soil. Naglagay ako ng rice hull kasi para mag-continue yung decomposition ng aking soil. Yun lang yung paulit-ulit kong ginawa sa ibang mga plants ko. Okay guys, so now let us start arranging. So as you can see, ito po yung before ng ating place. So meron ng mga konting halaman, pero hindi pa po talaga siya na-arrange. Yan, and start na po tayo ng arrange ng ating plants to rehabilitate the area. So, ayan guys, yung ginawa ko, nagsa-start na ako ng pag-arrange. Nakikita nyo naman, hinahang ko yung aking mga plants. Yan, nagkuha lang ako ng alambre, tapos tinusok ko lang, and then yan, sinasabit-sabit ko na lang siya. Ina-arrange ko lang talaga siya ng maayos with the space na kailangan ng plant para hindi naman siya masyadong dikit-dikit. Ayan. And yes, of course, we are going to put plants sa ilalim. So, before ako naglagay ng plants, naglagay muna ako ng hollow blocks. Naghakot-hakot ako, pabalik-balik ng hollow blocks kasi para mas maging maganda yung ating area. Pagkatapos kong maghakot ng hollow blocks, naglagay din ako ng sand sa area. Yan, makikita nyo. Sinastuff ko pa yung sand kasi para ma-elevate yung ating area at mas magandang tingnan. Pagkatapos kong maghakot ng sand, ay nilagay ko na yung mga tanim natin. Ayan ang dami-dami nating na-propagate na mga plants. Galing sa taas hanggang sa ilalim. Yan. Tapos, yan, diniligan ko na rin yung ating mga halaman kasi syempre para ma-hydrate yung ating mga bagong tanim. And there you go guys, this is the before facade of our area. Hanggang sa nilagyan natin siya ng hollow blocks at saka ng sand. Tapos, ito na rin yung mga tanim natin. Ayan, ang dami niyan guys. Sobrang dami na na-propagate natin. Ang gaganda. This is the aloe vera nga pala at yung iba pa dyang mga succulents. And, there you go guys, the final facade of our area. Diba? Ang ganda, makulay na tingnan, greeny na, hindi katulad yung kanina na parang ang lungkot-lungkot. So there you go guys, this is the final facade of my area. I hope you enjoyed and learned something in my video. Thank you, bye-bye!